Good day traders, David here from Daily Forecast. It is Monday the 24th of April 2023 and we are here to do an update. In front of us we've got Brent oil. We'll be doing Brent, Crude, Bitcoin and Euro. In front of us we've got Brent oil daily chart. You can see that this bearish candlestick formation thus far has held. Price has fallen a bit. Let's not rule out that price could be giving us a bit of a test at some point and carry on down. While we are bearish, we will look out for support at the BF 786. That's before we get down to the B low and see if that happens. So for now on the daily chart, yes, we are bearish. Obviously that scenario changes if price rallies up and takes out the A high. Then we'll be starting an inverse head and shoulders. Until that time, we remain bearish. Okay. 4-hour chart. The last time we looked at the 4-hour chart, we were waiting for a B low to form. You can see there we had a B with a question mark. You can see that price eventually did give us a B low. We can do some housekeeping here. We can take out that question mark. So we've actually got a B low. And you can see since then price has actually taken out a low. The low is at 80.43 and this low here is at 80.28. So we've actually got a new A high here as well. Okay. And again, we have to be waiting for another B low to form. The reason there was no trade opportunities there is because if we pulled our fibs from the high here down to the B low at some point, you can see price never even rallied to a 382. Our level of interest would have been up here, somewhere around 84.70. Okay, price never ever reached that, so this will become a new level of resistance. Okay, but clearly we need to wait for the new B low to form on this time frame. The 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart, you can see also a bit different. Here was our B low as well. Okay, sorry, I must take this out here. We happen to be having the same swings again like we have on the 4-hour chart, and this here will become our new A, because you can see here that price has broken this low, 80.43, and this is where we're at right now. So here on the 1-hour chart we have to wait for the B low to form as well. It's at least another 2 hours away. We need 2 candles to the right that's higher than the low candle. Okay, so at least, I say at least because if the next hour's candle drops lower as well, then we'll carry on waiting. Once we have that, we'll pull our fibs from the A to the B and we'll look for a 618 entry. Okay, crude oil on the 4-hour chart, same typical scenario. Got some housekeeping to do here. There's our most recent B low. And the difference on crude is that we haven't significantly taken out that low. That low is at 72. This one is at 71. So we'll wait for a sustained break. And again, if I pull my fibs on this one, you can see that there was never ever any entry opportunity. Price never even reached the actual 382. And our area of interest is 618 or higher up. So on crude, we'll wait to see, is this going to be the actual low? Because price can bounce up from current levels and move deeper into the AB swing. Then this won't become a new B. Okay, it needs to be a sustained break. The 1-hour chart is the same. Okay, you can see here that this, sorry, the B is there already. Let me just remove this quickly. We'll move this B down here. And this will become our new B low. Same scenario like on the 4-hour chart. We don't have a sustained break. Once we have a sustained break of this low, then we will call this the new A high and the B low. If we don't get a sustained break and price bounces up at this level, then this remains the B. Okay, then we'll be looking for price to rally deeper into the AB swing. So if I were to pull my fibs on this one now, my fibs on this current AB swing, price came to the 50. So if we bounce off current levels, this would be considered a B failure trade, and then we would be expecting price to rally up to the 618 at 78.67. Only if this low holds. If this low breaks on a sustained basis, this will then become the new A high. Then we'll have a whole new AB swing again. Okay, so that will be the scenario for that pair today. Euro daily chart. We're still in the bullish AB swing. Price is largely going nowhere. We are looking for price down at the 618 area. Okay. If price rallies up and takes out this B, this will become our next level of support. Okay, nothing much to say on that daily chart. It's not going anywhere really. The 4-hour chart, you can see that we're in a bullish AB swing. Price bounced at the 618, bounced again at the 618, and since that time it's largely going sideways. Our areas of interest is the BF786 area or another test of the 618, followed by a bullish candlestick formation. We'll then step down to the lower time frames looking for that. We remain bullish until this A support low gets broken. If this A support low gets broken. Okay, if price rallies up and takes out this B high, this is our new level of support. But nothing there right now. We'll have to wait for a test, step down to the 5-minute chart, look for a bounce, a test, and then another bullish candlestick formation to go long. The 1-hour chart, we in a bearish AB swing here because price took out this last level of support here. So we're in a bearish AB swing. Price rallied up to the 382, fell down to the BF786 area, and we set up a BF786 with a prior 382 bounce, leads us to believe we're going to hit the 50. You can see price has hit the actual 50. Price right now, let's see for today, do we come back and hit the BF786 again? If we do, then a 50 prior bounce will lead us to believe we're going to hit the 618. If price rallies straight up to the 618, obviously, then we'll step down to the lower time frame, look for a fall, a test, and then another bearish candlestick formation to enter into a short trade opportunity. Okay. Bitcoin, you can see since we last spoke, price has fallen right down to the 786, in fact 86 area. What we're looking for on Bitcoin is, let's see if support forms down here. We can maybe step down to the 1-hour chart and see if support is forming. We remain bullish on this pair until this A support low gets broken. If this A support low gets broken, then we're looking for a deep retracement down. Okay. But for now, we don't have that. We'll wait to see if that happens. If price bounces up from current levels, we look for price to find resistance up here at the 118 level at 31,700. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin over the next few days and see what happens there. I'll do an analysis of the 1-hour chart, and I'll have that for tomorrow, so we can start looking at the 1-hour chart on Bitcoin as well. Okay, traders, that's it for the day. So we keep our eyes on crude oil. There might be an opportunity for the reasons that I've just cited. Brent oil, nope, we'll have to wait for a new B low to form before we can be doing anything there. Euro as well, you might be getting a test of these lows. BF786, although that's not a formal entry, our interest will be up here at the 618. Okay, traders, that's it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the morning with another update. Thanks, bye.